On behalf of Julie Block, Jeff Block, my wife Jerry Block, and the rest of the Block family, it's my honor, great honor, to welcome all of you to the 26th Herbert and Maxine Block Memorial Lectureship Award presentation for Distinguished Achievement in Cancer. One of the great traditions that we have at Ohio State, which we celebrate during football season, at the very end of the band doing the formation of Script, Ohio, one of the band members dots the I. And the dotting of the I is sort of the personification of excellence and really just achievement. And tonight, we dot the I by awarding the Block Prize to Sir Paul Nurse, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist for his distinguished work in human cell cycle and cellular genomics.
The vision to create this lecture is more than just bringing the very best science to Ohio State, but it's about building relationships and connectivity across not only the United States, but across the globe, as recognized by our distinguished lecturer tonight.
I've learned a lot about the Cancer Center here and the investment in cancer research and the growth of really interesting areas. I think that was what struck me. But also going to the more basic biological departments, there's real quality in depth at the university.
An important part of the Block lectureship is the Junior Faculty Award. This year's Junior Award recipient is Dr. Lee Chun-Tu, an assistant professor in the Department of Biological Chemistry and Pharmacology, and a member of the Molecular Carcinogenesis and Chemoprevention program in our Comprehensive Cancer Center.
This is a great honor that I know will positively impact my research in understanding the genome biology in cancer. Thank you all very much.
There is an extraordinary diversity of life on our planet. So what is it? What is it that links all these different life forms together?
The knowledge that you, Sir Paul, have given us tonight will help our researchers continue to translate the basic principles that you described into clinical care, which is truly the foundation that leads to advancements in cancer research like Dr. Tu is going to be performing. I now invite Dr. Pollack on stage for the presentation of the 2024 Block Memorial Lectureship Award.